The future of driving is here. Meet the Tata Tuff Car 2025, where power, performance, and durability come together in one spectacular machine. Built for the modern driver, the Tata Tuff Car 2025 is engineered with cutting-edge technology, ensuring you drive with confidence, safety, and style. Segment 1. What is the Tata Tuff Car 2025? So, what makes Tata Tuff Car 2025 stand out? It's an innovative, rugged SUV designed to handle the toughest terrains while providing unmatched luxury. Powered by an advanced hybrid engine, it delivers exceptional fuel efficiency and performance. Let's dive into what makes Tata Tuff Car 2025 truly extraordinary. Robust build and design. With a reinforced steel frame and aerodynamic design, this car is both tough and stylish. Powerful hybrid engine. Seamlessly combining electric and fuel power, it offers outstanding mileage and reduced emissions. All-terrain performance. Equipped with adaptive suspension and AWD capabilities, it can conquer city streets and off-road trails alike. Smart infotainment system. Featuring an AI-powered assistant, voice controls, and a stunning 12-inch touchscreen display. Advanced safety features. With AI-driven collision detection, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera, safety is a top priority. Eco-friendly manufacturing. Designed with sustainability in mind, using recycled materials and energy-efficient production processes. Why is the Tata Tuff Car 2025 the best choice for you? Here's why. Durability and reliability. Made to last, ensuring years of stress-free driving. Smart and connected. Integrated with the latest IoT technology for seamless connectivity and real-time diagnostics. Luxury and comfort. Spacious interiors, premium leather seats, and customizable ambient lighting elevate your driving experience. Auto expert. Tata Tuff Car 2025 is a game-changer. It blends power, luxury, and innovation, setting new standards in the industry. Owner. I wanted a car that could handle everything: city drives, long trips, and rugged terrain. The Tata Tuff Car 2025 exceeded my expectations. Getting your Tata Tuff Car 2025 is easy. Visit your nearest Tata showroom or book online through Tata Motors' official website. Be sure to check out exclusive launch offers. The road ahead is tough, but so is your ride. Experience the power of the Tata Tuff Car 2025 today. Tata Tuff, built for the future. Like and subscribe to channel and share.